Okay, just drop your head, drop your head. See how he's helping, guys? This muscle shouldn't be acting like this. So he needs to just stop helping, just let his head be heavy on the table. That's much better. Good. Yeah, right here. So now I'm gonna focus on C5, C6. Good. That moved pretty good, actually.
Good.
How'd that feel?
Felt good.
Good. Beautiful. So people always say x-rays don't matter. They do matter, and they matter because they give you ideas and they give you direction to what to focus on. Good, nice. Good, good, nice. You came in, your number one thing you came in here for dizziness, vertigo. Tell us about that. How's that changed?
Yeah, it's completely gone. So dizziness, it's gone, and the lightheadedness, it's also completely gone.
How long have you had that, sir?
I'm sorry?
How long did you have the dizziness for?
So up and downs for over 4 or 5 years now.
5 years.
Yeah.
How many chiropractors you see again? We still love you, chiropractors in Germany. We love you. But how many did you see?
About
10?
10. Yeah.
Okay, so how long you been here?
1 week.
Okay. Sorry. I have a problem with ego. I need it stroked all the time. That's me stroking my own ego. See, like this. Still nervous like the beginning, or do you feel a little
No,
more?
not even close.
Okay.
A little bit, but...
Still a little bit, but not even close. Good.
No, the first time I was very nervous.
Yeah. Okay. And she swears these are different adjustments, but I'm doing the exact same adjustment. We start doing new ones as we go forward, but still the same. How's that?
It feels wrong that my head should go that far back, but it feels like the bone's set in the right place.
Yeah, good. You can actually feel it now that you visualize it on the computer.
Yes.
You can see. Can you kind of visualize what I'm doing now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Beautiful.
I've had 3 adjustments so far, and I feel incredible. I felt immediately a lot of my tension go away. Since my first adjustment, I haven't really had any pain, which is amazing. And what happened for the first time after I don't know how many years, I slept for 9 hours of deep sleep, like not remembering anything, just slept.
How many years
dark.
ago? Do you remember the last time you slept like that?
I remember I used to sleep very well. I used to have the kind of sleep that people would envy.